Baseball, basketball, football, New Year's, Thanksgiving, any party, any weekend, you need to make these ham and cheese sliders. We've got cheddar cheese, ham, butter, poppy seeds for on the top, the smallest bottle of Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce, onion powder, mustard, and of course our Hawaiian sweet rolls. The first thing I'm going to do is spray my pan. Just lightly spray so that the buns don't stick. And then we're going to cut our rolls in half. This is a pack of 24. You might have to buy 2 12s. And let's see how I do. Now I'm going to place the bottom in the pan. Fits perfectly. Okay. And then now I'm going to bring over our ham and cheese. So this is Virginia ham that I picked, sliced very thin. You can certainly make it thicker. And I got enough that we could even snack on it before and after. And I'm going to spread it out. Make sure it's nice and thick. Okay, now we'll put the top back on. And we're going to move over to the stove. Now we're at the stove, so this is going to be our topping. We're going to start with a whole stick of butter. We're going to melt that. We have onion powder and poppy seeds. And that's going to go in once the butter's melted. We have Worcestershire sauce and mustard. Butter is melted, so now we're going to add our other ingredients, the onion powder and poppy seed. Keep stirring. This is going to go on top of our rolls. Here's our Worcestershire sauce. Ah, it smells good already. We haven't even put it in the oven. Turn that down a lot more. And our last ingredient is mustard. So I'm going to pour it on top of our rolls, and then I'll spread it around with the brush. That looks great. Now our oven is preheated at 350, and it's going to be in there for about 30 minutes. The brush, try and move it around. We're going to cover it with foil and it'll be in the oven for about 30 minutes. What do you think, Mark? Looks good. Going in 30 minutes. See how it looks? This is the part where we're going to take the foil off, put it back in the oven for a few minutes just to lightly brown it. So let's see if I can get this off. Oh yes. Wow. It's looking good. All right, gonna put it back in for a few more minutes. Gotta keep an eye on it. It smells good, right? Okay. You ready to try ham and cheese sliders?
No.
Okay, bye. These are really good. We've had them before, but it's been a really long time. You can take them to a party. They're so fast and easy to make. Delicious.
This is a spin on the previously very popular French dip sliders.
Yes.
This time ham and cheese.
Ham and cheese.
Same delicious topping.
Any kind of ham that you like. Sliced ham, your favorite cheese. Yep. Oh my gosh.
That's good.
It was really good. Hey, there's butter in it, you know, how can it be bad?
King's Hawaiian rolls. Mm-hmm. Oh man.
Finger looking good.
Oh my gosh. Mm-hmm. You gotta make these again.
Mm-hmm. Great for any party. Talking with my mouth full again. Oh my gosh.
Thank you, Bridgetta.
You're welcome. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And there's also a bell notification button you can push to be notified anytime I put a video out. Thanks for watching. We're gonna eat now. Take care, bye-bye.
You're so fine, oh lady. Let your body take control. You're on my mind, baby. Just move a little.